Yes. You see, in the past administrations, no quote on a very heavy scandal. Tene ni kwari.
Goko bururi-ini.
Yes. No still enough velocity as ikoretwo cigithie nayo.
Ciukaga itunguhite.
So in recent times we have the NYS 1. Ciukaga nginya na seasons. NYS 1, NYS 2. We have the wete ukunya kera arakoragwo
Kemsa.
No, kuhurirwo uria wana forward. Ona ni uri indo. We have the water gate kana yetagwo ndu.
Chicken gate.
Iyo.
Ire arutagia nginya maabitha IBC.
Yes.
Oswago.
Yone. Chicken gate scandal. Yes.
No, scandal is in Kenya. Simete guku igathio Ruiru.
Aroro Ed
Kimwarer. Those ones are recent.
Those are very recent. And you don't know which other ones are coming.
Akina Anglo leasing.
Yes. You see, back then, especially the millennials that were in the 90s, we only knew one scandal. Now, not to Giakameka, Kukaji Kumemerekeria. Yet, the golden bag scandal. Now, Doro go to Tiahara and Yandeki. Tondu kigo billion nigetinda kinya rũgongo tene.
Acha billion ni twajia ri ukumita uko wega thutha mutheri.
Yes.
We could not fathom what a billion is.
We could not. Actually, even your stretch of imagination. Biashara yana kuena demwa. Ona mundu wa igiona million ni emwe. Tot walikeria Anderson waweru. Mohoro makameme kayo kamuigi monjoria wega to kamlesh part ni go kinyo igoti na thitago ya ugumania wa golden bag ya muigana wa billion muko
billion iko igana tate ya
ona ndo meshagia ati Anderson wa ni home nayo na mundu ga eteigwa kaopa
ya billion ya ka billion
ya billion. We would not fathom what a billion is. Neither would our parents.
Hey, billion.
Yeah.
B.
You see, one, there was no fun. Yeah, the Odwege Kinya at that local level. It out in a better issue. You are NGC. Yes. Okay, you are county allocation. Yes. Capitation, what have you? No, people never used to talk figures then.
Dia kana ona economy no gwe akire nini.
Yes.
A billion.
The shilling was very strong. Yes. Look at a billion. You know, there's a time the shilling was trading for only around $40
against the dollar,
or even that. Yes.
Okay, we can.
You know, you are I'm not boarding.
Miguna.
Yes. Now we are quite the economy to have to anangana Singapore.
Ine kwera guo.
Yes. No makia bazia. Rugo ndoge yure ona million ni magana.
Akio rugo na ndora metagwo itonga ri.
Yes.
Waigua ati ucio ni millionaire.
Yes.
Millionaire.
And sometimes they are not even millionaires. To akura ntu amenye nyumba iria makite ri. They are very cheap.
No, by the then standards.
Yes.
Mari marodi.
No. Wakura no wana this was a very ramshackle of a house. No, nyumba ya commune is not very expensive. Kulikana unato imaginaga. Yes.
No, you told him when I'm iguru wa juri.
Yes.
You thought they were.
You are mohoro-ini. Monjoria wega tuketan somaya.
Naga mega scandal CGG.
Yes.
Bururi uyu ri. He kaundu ihutanagia na andu akuma na ha India.
Andu na India ri. Ni mamenyaga muno. Ka Asia-ini kau. Yes.
South of Asia.
Yes. So no igua ni party. Na icoka kihingura kanitha.
Then there is a recent one.
Yes.
Of just
Denny.
Na matigwetanagio na mbia nini.
Hapana. Yes. No, there's a time this country utiari horo scandal icio do. Okay, maybe tutiakire uniform. Maundu matiativukaga.
But wira uria warutĩirwo Goldenberg uthuthuria wa Goldenberg scandal.
Yes.
Ĩrĩa atongoragia etagwo atĩa judge ũcio. Justice Bosire.
They used to have sittings at the KICC.
Televised every day.
Every day. And they used to be very interesting because you would see Wakili Gibson come out Korea. You would see this veteran, Haminoa.
Haminoa.
Yes, Pharaoh's origin. Yes. You would see this young man. What is his name?
Nani huyo?
The Law Society of Kenya.
PLO.
Not PLO. The warrior guy. What Tia Grand Mula? There was the other one. Tia Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi. There was the other one. Philip Murgo.
Oh,
yes.
Murgo.
Hey, we're not going to argument. You my lord. My lord. Yes.
Natiga Goldenberg scandal. Gutiro ndungi wa scandal icio cianekeka bururi uyu.
Yes.
Uri wekwo in a very open manner.
Yes.
In a big way to the Goldenberg scandal.
Never mind, the findings were shelved. Scam. Orocio athire haria tuonire kwanayanwo report yo. I think it's collecting dust because no one was jailed.
Goldenberg.
Makirio kwathani-ini turakimona.
Ago ni kuohirwo andu.
Yes.
Ni andu very small.
Ona he omwe we iguru muno. Wagwatanagio no horo riku.
No horo cio. Kiria ciikite thutha ni kuingiha cingihite.
Yes.
Na igatunguhia mbeca.
Ni iratunguhia kigina. Yes.
Billion.
B.
You think you have what a billion is?
No, we would not have. Yes.
Lucia wetiro cia mabilioni nginya tutia kuhahuka ni billion.
B ya kinyera ngo acia cikiwa billion. Yes.
No ya ndo igua guku mundu umwe ni arakiucirwo gukorwo ni augumetie.
B
ona tie mwe.
Yes.
Cigana ona.
And he's as small man as a governor, not the president.
Yes. Weciria ngane Akenya nĩ twa conditionirwo tukimenyera until we no longer ask.
Yes. Anywho,
Sini Kenya.
We are the billionaire. Actually, na budget ito na uthire trillion.
Budget ye trillion. Nikio kuraiyika B.
The first trillion budget was read by Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. When he was finance minister. Yes.
Na gukomba riu twi matirilioni.
Ukomba ri. Ona atukombi magiuga othe muge maratutaha umuthi ri. Gwicia buri ungitigwo kino.
Atukomberi mangĩtua mokero rimwe.
Mauge ni marenyura na bururi.
Like vira 50 wandu.
Magari.
Mukihitia njira.
Reke tuge tutiorire hanini kana muno. Tondu haria twakinyire uguo tukigia doubt ri. I think we were 75 kilometers off course.
75 kilometers off.
Yes.
75 kilometers kuma Nairobi we hakuhi Murang'a tauni.
Yes.
Actually, you are just like 3 kilometers to Murang'a.
Exactly. Nwe kwale kenda inesi yotuku. No one to ask. Kondo kugotia ndo mathia otuku. Tigona itirana.
Kamwale kuria kwuigua.
Yes. Actually kira yatumire utwikire ngajari. He bara twaye tukire ari na igwa mwena na mwena. Ogiai.
Kondo no kuo guku.
Isi igwa ri. tugetho tuticoka ri ne utie ngari ingirona baraka na anything
na ni utuku
mwaka akora twagura Subaru Forester yes akiuga tondu ngari ye irurire
ni tuthonge guthonga
yes haria twacemania na andu ri anakeri na muthuri magucagia kindu kiria according to the smell the smell was a familiar smell of mihandarati
narcotics
mari ya ruku kuno riago na nangihoria tone woka yes wikimoria matura mumetoka na rope sindio sasa unaona pale mliwaja junction ya kwenda ndo mtoke Mbale mutaruti muko kilomita kama 80 muruti paka hapo
kilomita 8
alafu munyorosh bila kuuliza mtu swali mtatokea na Mbale sababu hapa muko uwa sasile machi imeleta shida hapa tunachota Uganda mukienda na hii barabara mtajikutaka kwa Museveni
mwari akumirira Uganda
na waingilianji pande hii kiingilia pande hii wanakukamateko sasa mruti tu vile muko naona muko na kar mpya mruti mukifika junction nyorosha
kilomita 8
rwap saa 9 ikifika saa 12 mtakuwa mmewai
kaya mutare na Google Maps kana gutiare network
no they were not very effective nyamwe cio ka effective thutha uyu
ari muthida kuhurirwo ine gakwire I'm lost
ka Google Map kwaja he kundu thiaga kwaja kaigua akwira atiri turn right then turn right make a U-turn in 300 meters make a U-turn turn left slide right then turn right
kilomita 8 ni muorite muno
ene tuorite
iyo akiri thabari ya ithana kindu
wega biu bakinyana Mbale riu gugiki
ona no wega mwigikirite ngari maguta maingi
yes
otherwise
mudhuyo no kiforea guse sasa mtaendeko tu unajua chita unifile mko na car sasa kama mko na car mtafikeko lakini mjiende wapi huko ni kwa Museveni watu wakamateko na watu hapo ni wapaya wana mkambo wako pande kani
mwatigetia nini kuingira Uganda
wana mkambo wako pande hiyo maji kipotea tuna hata wakati unasikia utaki kunywa hapa rap na kunywa ngambo
ino kugeria mbathi yako usiku wa manane
ne tuara ithu ne kwire twathiaga muno ndwere inyo muthie mwatho kuma ceceni ici cikagererio ni mea muno ne umagaraga
no nginya ucere ruguru
ndwire no rithie kuria mari
twe guthie murima
iye mwe guthiete muno ni Laikipia
Laikipia is the farthest
guku tuthiete sana tukiruta mirere ri ni mwani na kwethi kuigire mugithie ku wewe twakora ku na pasweri tutanafutwo ku
matana mwagira matana gabata wanyu
no turiona makinya ruguru ru tu ndo kumera Ngoni wa Thuita ru tukutheira uniria tweka atia
mwathukuma na cio hindi yo
no tuthiete aso tiki yaku Kakamega Busia Bungoma Bumala ithu tugikwira handu kurugirwo gukunjaga handu hetagwo Kandui pasweri etawa mutumia yeta watia
Kandui ni Bungoma
yes he mutumia hau etawa mama Alice kana u gukunjaga muno
nginya marima makuigirithia nyama
ona Kitale He aruto urarwe bweto 5GB. Ni 5GB? Yes. Twathia kå na titina gwara
na Moi's Bridge
tå thiacokaga kå inå kana kä ndå
hau nä ho hori
kuo kå rä a marä arä må kinyo rä
kå rä a nä weni
kå rä andå ecemania na kabo gwa kå ringa nda tå rä twathiä na pasueri å yå atä tina gwala kwa ofici ya gavana wätagwo Haemba
Haemba wa Trans Nzoia.
Yes. Na tå kä amå kä rwo tå kä amba tå kä gå thå thamo cicigana inya cia cai tå gä coka tå kä o ngatho må no nä gå cerera gavana nä å yå eke o kä amå geithie tå kä rä kia tå kä gå thwo må ndå mau
matano kä gavana nyihia kä gavana å cia nyihia
ageni a gavana mekumä te o Nairobi rä tokå njå rirwo må ndå njirongo njerå
mwathecwo njirongo
na tura nä mwakä ra nä ndamå cenjeria må tå rä re
kwera gavana å cio nä ahå thia guoko ona ma MCA rå gongo nä magä kaga å guo
tå gå thire mau
njirongo njerå akiuga mä tå rä re enyu rä u nä ehanda
na hä ndä ä twarä nginya action station
agä korwo gavana aruta njirongo rä
no tiendaga kå må tura na ihenya no twä kå aga handå ciageririo
ikä rutwo sakas
no nä ikä rutwo sakas nä ciarutirwo må no
karonake må ruti ndakä rutä te o nyingä nä ithå kå ma na ikå na ndagä 50
growing up å ngä atå manä irwo a delegation
wä må nini
na maita marĩa maingĩ kũngĩũkia delegation kwanyu tondũ waku rĩ it was never a congratulations
no
it was never on a positive
mũno na yambũndaga on serious crime
yes actually it was more like a jury and the judge
ati kwanyu gũke delegation
ũkaigua atĩ kwĩna andũ agima ta 5 no rĩo marehete kũndũ kũu nĩ Gathaiya
ti maita maingĩ wakoragwo ũrĩ ũndũ wa kũganĩrwo mũno
because you have not discovered oil or invented a medical
nĩrĩo wĩkĩte discovery
yes
yondũ kĩrorerwa kana wa ũkĩmakania
so ũngĩokio delegation teo tondũ waku tondũ no maregĩtuguo moka mũciĩ rĩ you would repay in physical beating you see mũno truants na tũnaria ũhoro ũcio truants nĩ arĩa macoka thaa 8 rĩ gĩkoragwo a truant nĩ arĩa moraga thukuru akĩo kĩu gĩathoma kĩndũ standard 4-inĩ hau nĩ handũ manjagia kũregera
thukuru
a truant truants nĩ yareha delegation ya arimũ
kwanyu
yes another thing nĩ rĩu the concern of the society about your spirituality makona mwana ũyũ rĩ nĩ atuĩkĩte a satellite representation of hell ũkĩrwo werĩ wĩ agent ĩmwe ya mũcukani tondũ mena mĩeri 2 matarĩ makuona Sunday yes
kana ndũthiaga kanitha
yes
no nĩ ũrekagĩrĩrio mũciĩ atĩ gwathio kanitha
yes
no kanitha ndũkinyaga
ndwonagwo atĩ waunĩra njĩra na hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ arimũ a Sunday moka makauga bamĩrĩ ĩyo rĩ matimĩũĩ na kũregenyũka gĩkiugo na nä matuä very concerned tondå gukaguo å rä o tuätwo rä na nä we waheania harä ihoero rä ngä te atä
rä akä
yes so they are afraid the legacy
you want to spoil the legacy
yes å kamba å korio kä å ria kä mwe å kiuma gå kå uga å rathiä kå
sande
nä å ä tagia må hothi å twaraga kå
å rathwiti
å kagå ra thwiti namenya rä u ya wä kana ga caitani å ndå å cio å kamba gå kwenderia guoya ciana cia thikå ici tigå raguo thoguo akinyä rwo nä å horo å cio rä nä wamba å kerwo atä rä rä nä wamba rä u å kandirwo nawe ta ng'ang'a mokwa ngapi toka må pige ndå må kä enda
toka
yes waragia atä rä rä wä akwo tuä kä te caitani gå kå
imagine atä å heagwo nginya må hothi
yes
å kaga gå thiä na å karä a må hothi
å kaheo mang'otoro merä kana cumuni we å thiaga maisha
å ratunya nginya igå rå mbia ciarä
yeah, even stealing from the liturgy. The Holy Trinity itself.
At your age.
Utatomo the ruoka waaga.
Ukagore madifani.
Well, araikacio akwa ngoma ri umwa produce omwe to ndo cio ndå ko wika wi
woika
yes you know it's always inspired
of course
yes wamba kahutio kara hanini ukaruta ritwa ria mbere ndwendagwo rute ringi ucio wagwetwo ni kuruta riu ringi
gugwikwo mungururio
wathongi ndogonjoraga
ugukua muthe we
ndoi matikanjorage ndiega
thiga kiumia giki
mwajora no mukarira
ingerera
ugakimwoka muraga nau ni kumuthia nau
tuthia rui
nau
ndacebo
ateo tari twega nau Simoni nguthiugire Simoni akamba akarehwo hau ambe one how battered you are
in the hands of your tormentors.
Yes. Akona you are even non-verbal.
Ni barere otungitio.
Urahihia. Uraumwone ki?
Ni ngoro.
Akorio. Simoni no akiona muru wa nyukwa. Muthia na uru sad. Simoni akemanya aruge stage imwe ya ndudio akagweta ngeigana
atatu
yes no muhurwo kamena Simoni muno tondu he has volunteered information very easily
urago DCI mekaga
mukorio atiriri mwethitwo muri ana riu aciari othe matikiri hau and it's like they were enjoying beating you na gutiare boundary wa gutha uria wi hakuhi
murietwo haha murigiceirio
mukamba mukorio kanitha kau kanyu ka masonekiri
mwendetie una ukuo
tatuhei pini gakoragwo ha exactly na nia mwendete na mwetetio unau ego thoguo no kone ndijetetio
na no gwicharge ni getha muhure
nigetha akuringe mwetetio itathia mundu
muthia ngurumo cia ruwi gwika atia
muthia kuu kwa imba miti
ukaga guthie kanitha uthie ukahaimba miti we wi nugu
uhaimba miti uhoe u tondu ngai akihoyagirwo kanitha ti miti iguru muko mugitungata u
gotire
Ajara they would even make you do a very quick self examination we uria kana ni Yesu kanetie kiro
ukona kanitha monae wi makinya-ini ma mucukani
nginya riu akinya handu one of the accused Illuminatis Akona horo ni uthire muno ninge character assassination ni inge hire kauga. Tara mandathi ni twoya tutanaria. Ya lizo sanitize ate ti defospa.
Ti masoneki.
Twoya tutanaria mandathi.
No ho idagia.
Dedie.
Aya ngine mahoyaga.
Ota.
Kwuigua ni omekwa ngoma.
Yo. Ndio tutikora daimono. Tonye mutu taimono twanari. Icio daimono tugucirengera hiaha.
Ohaha. Kamenya is about to go down again.
Kebwe karutuo. Kwando morale recruit andu Illuminati. And they should be under the scrutiny of society on Sundays. Maka observe okay ona magera haha. Wathi huage ukerwo Matthew. Iha maigira kanitha. Oh.
Manya kan mwabite kuruga maithomo cia ngurumo cia ruwi.
Yes, no, your wayward ways would change by fire,
by force. There were no two ways.
Foi na iroka ngukara. Sakara. You are beaten to submission. Yani mwa frontier o kia ciuria sad.
Nigetha preliminary report itumwo mucie.
Mwape murwe na riri. Narrative no ya scandal ati mwa ukoro murahoya mucuka.
Na mweherio in bad books cia kiroho.
And you know your parents would not care about your image na kuuja.
They would. Eva kena na 47.
Agimsoni no raifu. Pero la masa jinete please era night we raifu. Reure
Kabeme FM official.
Yes. And we are 1 million strong and moving on. And thank you. I am online to follow and to like content.
Asante sana.
Wonderful. Oh yes.
Ine.
Reure because it's old school Thursday. You see maono madia
maseje tie.
Everything changes except change. Yes. The name changes what does not change. And sometimes history repeats itself.
Maundu ni mathia mamwe magecokera.
Through fashion trend ya hipster na berori ni icokete na Gen Z.
Yes.
He migutho marekira hoya inaga na platform na baba migude ya kigayo. Ibya kai kigayo meka hiriga.
Migude ya kigo ri.
Marathaka kiri wa sesa. Nasaba mapagara hiroko. Na hedio niguo bypass yaga yago. Migude ya bypass. Mau yako ndoko kwe meigua na thwariga.
Na hiti.
Iva jira muthe wake atwaretwo kuu agure kaithano. Akiumira nyoka akiwa ndakiwa kono.
Riu mothe gutihutikaga.
Riu magera hau na muthe wake amuragia cie hanyoka.
Yageririo ne game.
Oya nagi kara kono kwena nyoka. Turawira wa kwihuga ciana itikaru. Hedio no bypass on dia you know the bypass. Yakirwo ifaraje ruchwa. There was no even road access.
Matigia ke imagine ati ni gukahana uria kuhana umuthi.
Yes. Riu maundu moka macenjetie. Those who remember, especially now that we are in the heart of the Easter festivity, makanitha teneri ni mai na gasibilite kanini na muthigiti. You see the mosque, they have what is called the adhan.
Adhan nedo.
Higwa haski la muadhini wala mteka maji msikitini. Muadhini ni yule huwa Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar.
Oh, anagirira na kamero.
Yes. Shadu wa Muhammad sallallahu akbar. That is the adhan. The call to worship. Yes. David Wiri. Tutia ina muaria. No tware gikengere. It was enormous. True. Na kanitha cia Tene kuria mission cianjirie mari ona ngengere
ngengere icio.
Yes. No ru miundo msingi ya thiko ici ya kanitha ici turakari
cia kiriu
tutirabaje serake.
We don't factor that.
Because the bell was like another building altogether.
No, they had very strong metal.
Yes.
Kendo kirito.
Kanega akirwo mahiga ta shumu ne kama.
Kanega kugi gakirwo an independent structure.
That is what I am saying. It was not a small affair. No githima kanitha ya Martin. Ima wana kugwira centenary.
Makanitha mena miaka 50 and above.
Yes. They still have that bell. Sia neuga doi.
Eri kare no rekore takorete ngengere kanitha-ini.
Muthoni no akorwo ni oi ngengere ya kanitha.
Kana ndio kanitha uri ngengere. Nginya umuthi.
Tondu ni wa Kiangonyi.
Na yathomeire Kiangonyi.
No kiagocio.
Ucio ni kanitha wa tene.
Ona tumutumu. Yes. Mission. Na iria ciarĩ mission ya Scotland ya PCE matuko mau. Yes. Ona gwaito yego senti ya ndururi. We are century. Ne kuri ngengere.
Yes.
Itoeka ni huragwo.
Ona kuria citigaririe ndigwe cira ndi huragwo.
Kira gwikaga ri. You see he muthuri umwe wa heo wira wa kura ngengere yo. No ngie hoyo ni mundu ungi. Na rä maä to wä ra å cio rä bamĩrĩ ciao nĩ ciarĩ lineage na collaborators.
No, civilization yoka aria mari in line na collaborators.
Yes.
They took up all the jobs.
They took up all the jobs because they were aligned.
Ginya kura ngengere kanitha.
You see, it had a rope. Tiko ingekuwa na mechanical. Yes. Of course, kanitha ta consolata hali. They had the mechanical, but it has a system. No kabato ni egeshuhia. Like a sisu. Yes. Rugongo ni mukhido mutugu.
Ni nyororo ndaya.
Ona athuri hau. Kana thuti ya kodra. Era makashia na maita mana. Ona vi. Ngong. And they were all short. And it used to work. You see, hotel technology. It was like a smoke signal.
No, they are doing Mathiariva.
No.
I think okay.
It was like the African talking drums. It was the rudimentary communication ages. No more ni kuingira WhatsApp uiwe tumeanza mkoa.
Kana ugakirora atho kamenya atiriri service gwitu yambagia thaa cigana ona.
Acio na amba kong kaigua mwana ikari thaa cigana ici.
But give it up to those men that your mahuraga ngengere. They were ever ahead of time.
Those
matiaceragirwo.
You know they were the epitome of effectiveness. Yes. Not 1 second.
Ndaceragirwo muhuri wa ngengere.
Kama mwathini wa msikitini ndio naketa ceragirwo. Aigwa kwaga Allahu Akbar. Ukamenya ni thaa fulani. Riu ngengere waigua tang. Kakabere kaumu. Yeah, and you know, it used to have the urgency. It was like a yodo ya ba ukona ona mutumia mukuru ogeragi akalimaini.
Akamenya githomo ne kwambia kihakuwe kwambia.
Yes. Hey, atiri kaijera iruoko. And it used to resonate the entire location.
No nyamu yo nĩyaiguĩkaga kũraihu.
You see, na mukoroni hau ni acorete all establishments within the localities ciakorwo handu iguru piu.
Makanitha, mathukuru, tondu icio nĩ ciatwaranaga hapa kwa hapa.
Na dispensary ciarĩ handu iguru.
Vantage position.
Vantage. Rĩu ngĩingĩra tong mukamenya gĩthomo. Kwanja yĩngĩaga mbirĩ ũguo nĩ mũrerĩtwo mũthikabu nĩ aro kũiganĩrĩra kĩ
moko.
Yes. Une andũ mateng'erete. So that was the epitome of a rallying call.
Yes.
Rĩu
makanitha marĩa marakwo kĩrĩu matiko ngengere.
Matirĩ. Ona marĩa menayo rĩ. It's just because of the legacy and their many electronic. Rĩu haha no tukirairwo haha University of Nairobi the PCA headquarter here St Andrews ni matoire mena ngengere no yao yari ya speakers iria cia huja was electronic. Yes,
no akiona acio riu makiri mo advance.
Yes, headquarter. Yes,
rugongo ni ya gucuha nayo
ona gathuri acibite nĩ mwana hata karaigua murio.
Caitani akamucema akwira ona no wihithio thiho
ucia nyamu
o confuse itura igima
kiboko ri turai na keri ana hura ngengere yo gatagati ga sasa
kune kuhũthĩrwo nĩ mũcukani.
Ndio bijo vuara ni waithaka nĩ hĩndĩ kibiembie athuri mamwenyeria kahũa-inĩ ga kanitha nĩ wĩtane kanitha nĩ karĩmaga
nĩ nacio kanitha cia hĩndĩ ĩyo ciarĩ mĩgũnda mĩnene.
Kanitha nĩ ciarĩmaga enyerio kahũa-inĩ ga kanitha rĩ rĩa mũico onirwo haha kĩrabu akĩringa kũndũ gĩtagwo Kanda ajũthagia kana kwĩ ũgwati ena kũrĩa Nderi Karũgia na Kenya njerũ.
Urete gatagati ga service.
You destabilize everybody's mind.
Yes. You confuse the entire system itura riu.
Kũu nĩ ta gweterera andũ magĩ celebrate New Year ũtware ũcokie thaa thutha mugĩrĩrie mũrigo nĩkĩ andũ makirwo ũguo kana ũtware mbere mukaigua kwaugĩrĩrio mũkarigwo nĩkĩ inyuĩ mwetereire kĩambo kwacirie nayo
ni ukoroni wa mucemaga.
But you know the people who are in charge were neo-colonialists.
No, actually they were remnants of colonialism.
Yeah, actually, yes. Some of them had a lot of similarities with the like of Evelyn Barry and the Lord Delamere and Lieutenant Colonel Sir Edward Grieg, the slave drivers.
Lord Egerton.
Lord Egerton of Hall.
Ya vote fai. Tokiro.
Othuriti Koine.
Koine.
Atigethua.
Tigethua Koine. Wakamacaria.
Wetagwo Cleopha Koine. Yes. Ndiakire ciana kundu gwetagwo Dallas.
Dallas is Texas, America.
Yes. Yes.
No, Kisumu. Kisumu ne Dala.
Kau ne Dala. Ne no, you know, you said Dala. Dala nta kuga re urogogo. Ne ke jaru. Adi Dala. Na adi ke.
Urogogo.
Chagi. Yes. Na mushi mo ga out.
Ate out.
Mau adi out.
Adi mushi.
Kana the out. Yes. Reu no akeigwa reu Koine
na ciana Dallas.
Yes.
Texas.
Na ota mutugo wale maundu magithiaga na ndui manyuo yaumire kuri. Ciana icio ri ni marecokaniririe. Marauga magite maito wao. Akionere maikara kundu kuriku.
Kuria Dallas.
Yes.
Na nĩ wega onake acere amenye amenye thi ni njari.
Yes. Whether mera mano yao kumagana Maria Koine na mukari. Kuroneka logistics icio ni nyingi muno.
Cia Mr and Mrs Koine.
Kurakioneka mundu uria muhuthuri. Egutirio thabari. Ni Koine.
Mr.
Yes. Cleopha Koine. Arakiro weri. We muthe ona actually ni ugia gugia ni travel kidogo. Tona rejua wauga thabari ndaihu ni kurituhagira ai. Eke mamu oke. We tigo kono kono.
Otigwo mucii.
Yes. He is not happy about that.
He cannot.
Tondu the stay extend agwoteria ya kaihia wa nyuguto. You know that song? It's called the Omi or the Mo.
The Omi cia mukoroni.
Yes.
Wasa mimuraya.
Ile ona ni kuna ndiko definitely. Ona ni putu na medical care.
Na tulio na hanga.
Ya ndiko definitely. Put my wife in your custody. So you should listen to that song. It's a beautiful one. Leo ni akikaragete ko. Na ni arara kara muno.
Koine riu.
Yes. So he's a liaison correspondent. Wako link rogo na ke
na states
na Dallas
no era de mado
ni sa aten baroni urado na ka documentary je okwa getuma The rural areas of the highlands of Kenya is so unique. He's not happy. So abere maramutumanira mongorio wa kwota kuhura thimu cia fendio
smartphone.
Yes.
Iguite.
Naraheo nginya riu ke kia murwa nyina. Kira yo kumuruta gwika atia
guhuthira smartphone.
O ikimwithikagiria ku mucie kungi ukanduri. Ikoro ki first line of defense. Riu ari aranogio ni ri. Ni mathaa makure matitwana na mauku. Ni maramwara hura nginya utuku. Makamwira akie ke
video call.
Nimo makamwara hura tene muno. Yes, itene wa tene.
Mathaa ma ngari ya ndĩrie kĩambata.
Yakia. Jabu mingi. Mukiriega. Yes.
Ndiamũrĩkithĩtie thimũ-inĩ ũru.
Akĩro heria thimũ ũthiũ-inĩ. Nĩ akuĩrĩria. Hau kĩreru-inĩ mbambatia. Hau. Nĩ mũramenya nĩ thaa cigana warenga.
Akia thitimũ yake tũtirakuona wega.
Ĩrĩ kuo.
Ya metha-inĩ.
Kamũcetakia. Rĩu.
Kana wakie front touch.
Ati do.
Kamera yaku ri.
Kamũceta makĩria gagathia kau maragu. Nĩ mwanyona rĩu. Na inyuĩ mũkĩrĩrio wa-inĩ. Akĩra mũthetiga kwanĩra nĩtũrakũigua. Kĩnjĩrai. Haya ũcio nĩ niĩ. Kandathire.
Mũrũ nĩ mũciarĩte.
Ũyũ nĩcio Gathaiya Koine mũtheri. Sawa baba. Ate?
Guka.
Yes, kaguka of yours. Au atia. I'm so glad to see you, Grandpa. Grandpa? Huh? So happy to see you. I asked how to carry your name. Yes, big name, no money.
Tell them, Koine.
Big name, but no money. But there you are. Money.
In Trump country.
Yes. Urukungoroni. Kĩnjĩrai nĩ mũrĩire. Kwĩmbura. Na mũkanie mwanake ũkũndugĩra makoroni niĩ nĩ ndĩaga irio ciranyitanda. Ayo tiwa spaghetti.
Arugĩrwo makoroni.
Niĩ ndikũrĩa makoroni. Neke ke umuraria. Ai kakwe ai nega thirikari. No, Grandpa, it's not called Gathaiya. It's called corn. It's corn.
Goko etagwo gathirikari.
Kau goko twakariagira thina. Koni icio rauga ri. Goko twakaria na ng'aragu. Hĩndĩ ya wathani wa Moi. Akirwo akayo skedi. Akirwo Ithaka Mose. Wabarenga. Ugikama twitei. Ciana irenda kuona mukamo.
Na ng'ombe cia tropico.
Ayo kawana Kamose. Kamose. Makirie acio makigagio ni mukamo.
Ambo monie hea.
Moniona ikonyete hea. Ni manyona. Mera ifu.
Ndukamonie ngambuti.
Ndukamonie kobono ni ria kukurumwo ni giria. Engui ici cia wairi. Ndio haya. Kijana yangu, my name. Tukame tusikame. Ajoka maruguka. Haya. You fasting deal with nyondo ngapi?
2.
You see the nyondo? And you see they say, oh, toy kama isino Gathaiya. Sasa you have to know that.
The two.
You Gathaiya, then you.
You kama.
Yes. Ni maramu sio na mwingine.
Correspondent yo.
Ona wathere ru kari arajiri. Atengere ruwi. Mone mugogo. Mone itiki.
Na monia. Mutira we na matunda mugunda.
Yes. This one is the Mukoyo. You know Mukoyo? It's a fig tree. The fig. Yeah. That one is when Musinda no. When we were young. Hello. I can hear you, Grandpa. Go on. When we were young. Here is where we come to get cut. Because you? Not that cutting, the cutting of becoming a man. In fact, you, when you come here, you also come here for cuts. Akiro baka mujitiga no horo cio arika uko marua tene. Oh, Shole. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
You see tree of pears. You know pears?
Galio.
Is that one?
Very liberal. Grandpa, how many girlfriends have you had? Well, that is only kind of me too. You see, you are glad the mother. Before Grandma, were you dating?
Oh no, kinyiro horo no.
Sini mo sia we adi mo inge. Mahonga nginya ngwata ndio sia magukawe.
Nyo mere tende gukawe to tiri arika.
Ai kawa kama mukwa na jeke ya jana ikomi. Nengu mera. Acha dinge hora video niende na andu makirira indo ciao. Eu ni muraga thuri. Ane moto makira murato mani ndie karangu. Wondi ndie goko.
Correspondent dia kire na wira.
Mwani abote njogu. Wondi ndie goko na thimu.
Eda kenda na 45.